Hello, good day, classmate and teacher. My name is Rafael Castro. I am 39 years old. I work repairing electronic device. Civil status, single marital status. Physical description: height 1.70 centimeters, thin, brown eyes, and black hair. Where you live? I live in Colombia, in the city of Villavicencio. Practice in the restaurant. Good day. Welcome to the restaurant. I could see in the menus, please. Here is the menu. What do you recommend for food? The dish of the day is fish gratin with steamed potatoes. Can you give me a glass of water, please? Okay. I go to wash my hands. Will you help me to find the bathroom? The bathroom is laid in the bathroom in a white door. Alright, thank you. That more I can help you, sir? I will move it soft. My pleasure. Here's your order. Sir, you enjoy. I had dessert, please. There is dessert of orange and apple. Apple, thank you. I could give the bill. You can pay and the bus, sir. Thank you. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.